Hello, 你好. Welcome back to Cantonese Chit Chat. Today we're going to learn how to order bubble tea in Cantonese. Bubble tea or pearl milk tea. 珍珠奶茶珍珠奶茶 milk tea 奶茶奶茶 fruit tea 水果茶水果茶 green tea 綠茶綠茶 black tea 紅茶紅茶 pearls 珍珠珍珠 add pearls 加珍珠加珍珠 pudding 布甸布甸 grass jelly 涼粉涼粉 add grass jelly 加涼粉 coconut jelly 椰果椰果 small cup 細杯細杯 medium cup 中杯中杯 large cup 大杯大杯 I want this one 我要呢個我要呢個 I want fruit tea 我要水果茶我要水果茶 I want 1 cup 我要一杯我要一杯 I want 1 pearl milk tea 我要一杯珍珠奶茶我要一杯珍珠奶茶 ice 冰冰 normal ice 正常冰正常冰 less ice 小冰小冰 no ice 酒冰酒冰 sugar 糖糖 normal sugar 正常糖正常糖 half sugar 半糖半糖 less sweet 少甜少甜 no sugar 走糖走糖 to go or take out 外賣外賣 take away 拎走拎走 how much is it 幾多錢啊幾多錢啊 I want to have 1 pearl milk tea, less ice, half sugar, add pudding, to go. Thank you. 我要一杯珍珠奶茶，小冰，半糖，加布甸，拎走，唔該。我要一杯珍珠奶茶，小冰，半糖，拎走，唔該。Well done today. Now you know how to order bubble tea in Hong Kong. Keep practicing and subscribe for more lessons. See you next time. 下次見。